Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see? Yeah, once I say Dancehall skilla, I have information to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Whether it wants to be one or more than one information. Alright, now first things first. I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that Russia threatens to abandon a United States of America astronaut in space as sanctions threaten peace. Now, I took the time to read one of those news articles, viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that I read in one of those news articles, I got the understanding that a part of the news article said that the head of the Russian space agency posted a video on social media threatening to abandon a United States of America astronaut who goes by the name of Mark van der Heij at the International Space Station. I got information from other news articles that gave me the understanding that it is believed that this might be some form of retaliation towards sanctions that have been made against Russia by the United States of America. See? Because United States of America made sanctions against Russia sometime after Russia started to invade Ukraine, or sometime after the war started within Ukraine. And based on some news articles that I read and the posts that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that Russia and the United States of America in quite a number of ways worked together when it comes down to their space programs. You understand? And they have discovered important things. You see me I say? So, because of certain things will happen, certain things are being done, and this is one of the latest that I am hearing about viewers and subscribers. Based on some news articles that I read, I got the understanding that the head of the Russian Space Agency posted a video on social media threatening to abandon a United States of America astronaut who goes by the name of Mark van der Heij at the International Space Station. See, viewers and subscribers, me want this whole war and bad vibes thing to just stop. More peace on earth. See, from a little youth, me I hear about war, this between countries and all them things. But anyways, you can let me know what to think about that whole situation right there. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw more than one pieces of videos posted on social media, and based on some things that I saw and heard in those videos, I got the understanding that a person who is said to be a landlord had been accused of destroying a house because a tenant owed a certain amount of rent. And I'm going to present one of those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear if the tenant owed 1 or more than 1 month of rent. And the viewers and subscribers, and I looked at those videos and I saw some rubbles that are said to be what's left of the house that had been destroyed. You understand? I mean, I wonder to myself if that house was made good in the first place. You see me? And if the situation is of a real situation, see, isn't there certain rules when it comes down to renting someone a house? Eh? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I present one of those videos to you. I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. And in this video, you can hear harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
People, so the landlord up. A man just over just 1 month in the man went and then pull down the man house, brother.
1 month.
1 fucking month, brother. Is this a people of brother?
I know people. 1 month the dog when them fuck up the dog out there.
But then just suck them, man.
You know the
Dog.
1 month.
so them left for the dog, start kill people and them left for the
Don't do that. Don't do it, man.
Find the machine now, brother.
pretty see them, my friend.
When you see we smile, dog.
Pull down the man house, dog.
Inside, my friend. You know where we are going through that. Look there.
Sure.
1 month. And that me here, you know. 1 month me here, viewers and subscribers. See me I say 1 month. My people, I don't know how true the story be. But 1 month? 1 month? My people, if this situation is of a real situation, then viewers and subscribers, like for real, 1 month. You see me I say? But then again, I like to hear the alleged landlord side of the story. You see me I say? Yeah, I like to hear the alleged side of the landlord story towards this whole thing. You see me I say, people? Because this look away. You see me? There are certain rules when it comes down to renting a house or a place to someone, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. There are certain rules. 1 month, my people, I'm going to leave that video there right there, so you can tell me what I think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read a news article that gave me Dancehall Skilla the understanding that a politician from within the country of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Robert Montague, had resigned from the cabinet as a minister without portfolio. And based on some more words that I read in that news article, I got the understanding that the reasons why he resigned are not known, but the resignation comes days after a type of report on the Firearm Licensing Authority cited him, Robert Montague, for knowingly granting a firearm permit to 6 people with criminal traces while he was National Security Minister. See? Now, viewers, subscribers, when it comes down to the FLA matter, see, for those who know, when it comes down to the FLA matter, quite a number of names are being called. And I'm talking about names of politicians or important persons from within the country of Jamaica. See? Because I also read another news article that gave me the understanding that the JFJ wants Peter Bunting to be relieved of senator duties pending FLA probe. You see it? But me never get none of the part of the story there too much now. I'm just going to finish up certain things. So listen me. Now for those who don't know, sometime earlier this year, the year 2022, a probe that had revealed that over 200 persons within the country of Jamaica with criminal cases or convictions for serious crimes have been approved firearms license. See? And the Chief Executive Officer of the FLA, that's the Firearm Licensing Authority within the country of Jamaica, speak on this whole situation when he was at a press conference that had been held at the AC Marriott Hotel within Kingston, Jamaica, sometime earlier this year. See? And Shane Dallin said some things that spark a buzz on social media, to the least, or at least, so may I say, and in my point of view, some of the things that he said exposed a certain amount of persons. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, based on some things that I just told you, what do you think? Does the word corruption come to your mind? I'm just asking, I'm not saying. But you can tell me. Anyways, my people, I make you know about that whole situation right there. I'm going to move on to another topic. Yes, I'm going to move on to another topic, alright? See, so I got information that a man was robbed outside of the Sagicor Bank that is located within Tropical Plaza in Arthur St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 11th of March, the year 2022. See, now, according to more than one news articles that I read, it is said that the incident happened sometime after 9 a.m. on the 11th of March, the year 2022. See, it is said that the victim had been shot in the face and that the robbers escaped on a motorcycle with a bag of money. According to more than one news articles that I read, it is said that the victim had been taken to a hospital, but I did not get any confirmed information about the man's medical condition. Viewers and subscribers, I'm making know about that situation really and truly. And there are also comments on social media that gave me the understanding that some people are speculating that the man might have been followed and then robbed. See? So I want to say to each and everyone out there, be vigilant, be careful, and if you can do your transactions in some safe ways where you don't have to have a whole lot of money out to the public, do so. You understand? Yeah, man. I don't know what going on in the world of my people. War over one side of the country, bad vibes in countries out there, you see me? Anyways, I just I'm gonna leave it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone, and let me know what I think about all the things that I told you. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla, and big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo. Skilla.